So for the past 15 years, this car has been sitting in a storage container. As you can imagine, it's got quite the amount of dust getting on it, and dirt and cat urine and all sorts of stuff. These dirt devil things, which just get dirt in every nook and cranny and hole. So one thing I've been really excited to do is actually clean it, get it out, vacuum, wash it down to the best of my ability, just so I can have, something clean to work on, so I'm not sitting in cat urine all the time. So I'm really excited to do that. So I'm going to do that right now.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. I just wanna dream. It's what you...
First things first, I got to move some of this stuff so I can get to the Datsun. Actually, probably just going to move a motorcycle so I can get the door open, and then I'll push it out to clean it, actually wash it later. But first, well, I guess first is that. Then second, I'm going to vacuum it. Just get the big chunks out so that they don't get like soggy gross when I wash.
Always try to give, don't ever take it. I just wanna dream.
Here we go. Very dirty. We're going to fix that. I'm going to start off with a little vacuum of the seats so I can at least sit down while I clean the rest of it. So. Now obviously I gotta get all the nooks and crannies, but you can see, very satisfying and a lot cleaner now. These are one of the dirt devil things I was talking about. Oh look, there's some on this side. Yeah, they're just everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Okay, camera just died. Got a new battery in it. Excuse the lawnmower or whatever noises. There's people working, that's okay. Let them work. Just gotta clean it without getting the inside wet. Get all this dust off.
We're 1,000 miles away from the nearest city. There's no lights, all dark, but no matter what, you choose to stay here with me. Can you hear that? Our life soundtrack, the love we never had. Just need to let go, give in to the glow. So I say run, I run so we can get lost together. Run to where we belong. Oh, where we belong.
I've been cleaning the dash, some of this stuff going around. Just getting some of the dirt off everything. And it's very, very satisfying. Go around, clean some stuff, getting all the nooks and crannies, wiping things down. Just making things clean. Somewhat clean at least. Because it'll make it a lot nicer to work on. A lot nicer to look at as well. We're getting there. Soon enough, this thing will be restored. No, just kidding. It's going to take a while. But soon enough, it'll be clean. Clean enough to work on.